In today's video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal. Let's begin by heading over to the PayPal website. Open your browser. I have Google Chrome open in here and type in paypal.com. Once you land on the homepage, glance at the top right corner and click the login button. Enter your email and password to access your account. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, PayPal may ask you for an extra verification step. Don't skip this, it's an added layer of security designed to protect your money. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. Now, look for the transfer money option, usually highlighted in your account summary. Clicking this will bring you to the transfer page, where you'll see two main withdrawal methods. The first option is instant transfer. This one moves your funds within minutes straight to your linked debit card. The catch? There's usually a small fee, about 1% of the transaction. It's perfect if you need cash urgently and don't mind paying a little extra for speed. The second option is the standard transfer. This takes about 1 free business days but typically comes with lower or no fees. It also gives you flexibility, allowing transfers either to your debit card or directly into your bank account. If time isn't a big factor, this option might be the smarter choice. Once you've chosen the method that suits you best, just follow the on-screen prompts. Select where you want the money to go, confirm the amount, and double-check your details. When everything looks good, hit confirm, and PayPal will handle the rest. And that's it. Your money is officially on its way. With PayPal's user-friendly system, moving your funds becomes second nature. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.